we got up there, what's happening there, you're moving just a little too fast still. Actually, probably about double speed actually. When we go back and rewind, when you're on this portion over here, this side, it was kind of like this kind of thing was going on with it, where it really needs to be like that little bitty motion right there to get from one into the other, rather than, in other words, you're never going to be able to fill in it, you know, us thinking about it standing here without it going on. If I have from here to here and I want to build it up with weld, you would think that I could just go like this and keep going until it built up higher and higher and higher. But it won't do it because it'll just pop away. But if you stay in that one spot, as soon as it melts in, it's drawn into the material as you weld. So that going slow is like, that's how you guarantee that you're getting a good bond that's happening there. And you've got some bond happening right here, you know. But what that kind of speed up does is, well, you see when you hit this spot and you move over, well, you end up, the rod here ends up touching right here, and when you move over too fast, it builds up in another spot. And so what you get is that little dimple right there, the crack between the two that's right there. Well, this is built up and you've moved away from it, where had you been moving really slow and stayed with it, then that would have never had a chance to form. Because what's happening is the rod's touching, it's pushing, it's melting away, and as you move over, it skips a spot because you've moved a little fast. You can move really slow and not do any circular motion or not do any back and forth motion, just kind of give it this right here, steady over, and it'll fix that. Or you can give it that circle motion and push up and across, or you can go in that circle motion where you're pushing it up and in like that right there the whole way. And once again, I'm exaggerating the motion. That's about 3 times faster than what you go. It's really real slow like this right here. About that speed there. That's a good bolt. That's a good one for an example there, because that's